Good morning, students. Welcome to Sant Michael's Academy, Betia e-learning class of SST Standard 1. After house, we are again here with a new interesting chapter of EVS clothes. Look yourself as winter started. You all have your winter clothes on your body. Like this, we all have different types of clothes for different occasions and weather. So let's start our new chapter, clothes we wear. Why do we wear clothes? हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? We wear clothes to cover our body. हम अपने शरीर को ढकने के लिए कपड़े पहनते हैं. Just like our homes, clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and dust. जैसे कि हमारे घर के कपड़े हमें गर्मी, सर्दी और धूल से सुरक्षित रखते हैं. So, in our life, importance of clothes. First, we wear clothes to cover our body. Second, they protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. Next topic, clothes for seasons. We wear different types of clothes according to different seasons. हम अलग अलग मौसम के अनुसार अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं. There are 3 major seasons. First, summer. Summer means गर्मी. Second, winter. Winter means सर्दी. Third, rainy. Rainy means बरसात. Next topic, clothes for summer season. Summers are hot. आपको पता है स्टूडेंट कि गर्मियों का दिन बहुत ही गर्म होता है, यानी hot. We wear light cotton clothes in this seasons. हम इस मौसम में हल्के सूती कपड़े पहनते हैं. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton means सूती. सूती कपड़े हमें ठंडा रखते हैं. Next, clothes for winter season. Winters are cold. सर्दियाँ ठंडी होती हैं. We wear winter clothes in this season. हम इस मौसम में ऊनी कपड़े पहनते हैं. Woolens keep us warm. Warm means गर्म. ऊनी कपड़े हमें गर्म रखते हैं. Next topic, clothes for rainy season. We wear a raincoat when it rains. हम बारिश के समय में रेनकोट पहनते हैं. We also use umbrellas during rains. हम भी बारिश के समय में छाते का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Next, clothes for school. We wear our uniforms to school. Uniform means वर्दी. Next topic, clothes for work. Some people wear uniform to work. कुछ लोग काम करने के लिए वर्दी पहनते हैं. A nurse in a hospital wears a uniform. Soldiers, pilots and policemen also wear uniforms. Next, traditional clothes. Traditional means परंपरागत. India is a big country. People from different parts of the country wear different clothes. यानी देश में अलग अलग भाग में रहने वाले लोग अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं. Every part of the country has its own special dress. देश के हर हिस्से की अपनी एक विशेष पोशाक है. These are called traditional clothes. Traditional means परंपरागत. People usually wear traditional clothes on special day like festivals. Next, taking care of clothes. Our clothes last longer if we take care of them. Fold your clothes neatly before putting them in the cupboard. We must keep our clothes clean. हमें अपने कपड़े साफ रखने चाहिए. Clothes must be regularly washed and ironed. So, this is the chapter. Now, make a list of your favorite clothes with the help of your elders. We will meet in our another EVS class. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Goodbye, students.